What's up, people? Today we have a Wanbo T2 Max, a new version of projector here. It's a home budget projector. It's a Xiaomi brand, and let me tell you about something about it. It's a blue color. Obviously, I ordered that one, and it comes with 20,000 hours of bulb length, so it will last for a long time. It's an LCD panel. It has the 450 lumens of brightness, so it will be not that bright, but yeah, it will be bright enough in the night time. But in the daytime, I think you might need to close the curtains and yeah, it will not perform that well in compared to other projectors. But yeah, let's see once we open the box, and let's review it thoroughly. So yeah, obviously this cost 140 to 180 euros depending on the sale and all those things. But I'll put the links in the description. Apart from this, the weight of this projector is 1.1 kg, and it comes with the Android 9. It has the Play Store as well as their own default store. I'll put all the spec sheets somewhere here or here so that you can. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So we have here our white Wanbo box. Let me open it up, and yeah, let's see. So we have something written on top of here, and we have some information booklets. Let me put it aside. So we have projector. Let's see what else we have got. Yeah, let me be a little bit careful over here, and we can see there is something with the, yeah, there is stickers. There are some, yeah, there is a charger. It's not a USB-C or something, it's a normal one. I don't know what you call this plug. Yeah, there's a we can see the remote leader. Let's see this bad boy. So we have a blue dark blue projector. We have a shiny part on the top. We have HDMI and a USB-C. There is a mount as well at the bottom. You can mount it and maybe a tripod or something. Yeah, there is a tiny camera, as you can see over here. It's for the auto focusing. Yeah, let me just plug it in and turn it on. So yeah, now we have this yeah, the first screen, and this takes like 5-6 seconds, and this autofocus is really nice, I can say. And yeah, as you can see, it is like focusing correctly. And now let me set up everything, and yeah, you don't need to worry about every single small detail. So we have some projection settings, so we can just mount it upwards, or we can just mount on the side or something like that. So you can just play around with that. There are some other settings as well, like 4-point settings, like you can just adjust your things, all the edges and all, and then yeah, you can just they call it 4-point tab. So it yeah, it's something you can customize. And there are also some settings with the zoom. So yeah, if you put it a bit far, and if you want to zoom it a bit, then you can use this one. But I suggest, it's kind of a digital zoom, so it's not so nice to use it. It's the screen, if you think that your quality will improve, but yeah, it will not. And there are some other settings as well, like something with the Bluetooth. So I have paired my own MacBook, so you have different languages, just like all the standard things you get it on any Android TV. And yeah, there are some other applications as well that you can use it for sharing your screens from your laptop. So I use iMirror for my MacBook, so I share a few sometimes my code or something, and just check it on the bigger screen. We have some other applications as well. So MediaCast is also one of the popular ones. I shared it with my phone as well, like screen share. Let's see some of the video. It's a 1080p video. It says 4K, but yeah, the video is 4K. My projector is 1080p, so it looks really nice. The colors are good. It's not as good as you can see it on your laptop screen, but yeah, it's good enough to, like, it's a projector with 150 euro, but yeah, you can understand. And the colors are really nice, I can say. So I have used this projector for quite some time now, and I can say it's really nice projector. It has a really nice features as well, and there are some pros and cons as well. Let me talk about those both of the parts. In terms of the good parts, I can say the screen is really nice. It shows really nice colors. Brightness is good enough, I can say, but not that great. But yeah, OS is nice. Their connectivities and all those things are really good. So you can connect it via MacBook. You can connect it with the USB. You can connect it using the your phone as well. So there are various applications that are there. The OS is Android, so yeah, you will get ton of things from the OS. So yeah, that's not gonna be a problem. The life of the bulb is also nice. 20,000 hours is a good enough, and the size of the projector is very small, so you can take it anywhere. The remote has a really nice features. So yeah, it's pretty handy, and you can also use your keyboard as well. So I've been using it using my MacBook keyboard. I just connected with using the Bluetooth. So yeah, it was fun. Apart from this, there are some cons as well. So the brightness is not that bright, I can say. It's 450 lumens. Is In the daytime you will struggle a lot. Not a lot, but yeah, you will struggle a bit. But in terms of the nightlife performance, it's really great. I can say the colors were really nice. We watched a movie; it was great, and obviously it's a projector. So if you have a great screen, then it will perform even better. And compared to, like, if we consider the price plus all these other things, for example 150 euros, then it's a good projector. I can say it's a really nice projector in terms of the value for money. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and yeah, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.